Hello teachers. In our video today, we are going to talk about a great tool or website that can save us time and effort and money and make our work easier. This platform or this website called Magic School AI. It's totally based on artificial intelligence. This platform was started around 2023 in USA by a former teacher called Adil Khan. He created this platform to help teachers reduce stress and make easily tasks simplified by AI. Magic School AI also give about 60 tools or more that can help us make many things like planning lessons, writing questions, helping with students communication, and even creating emails, creating jokes, creating letters, creating stories. All this is in just simple clicks with artificial intelligence. In this video we'll see how to use it and sign in a very simple way. We will go to Google and search for Magic School AI, and just one click we are going to enter the website. We will sign up for free in just 2 seconds. It will use our email. We in the start it will ask us if us are student or an educator. We will choose an educator. Sign up with Google, and directly it will redirect us to our account. Continue, and now we are members in this platform. Here it asks us at the first to update our profile, so I'll skip these steps and directly go to choose your role. Now I'll choose teacher, educator, admin, social worker, all categories in the school. I'll choose teacher. It will ask about the grade I'm teaching. I will choose any grade I need here. Next, it will ask about the subject I am introducing to my students. I'll maybe choose computer science. Next, and now it will need our name and the name students will call me. Get started. Now it gives us that rules of the website. It tells us about the basics. I have to protect my privacy and my students' privacy and all these things. I will tell I acknowledge. After that, it will redirect us to the main page, which have two main places. The left pane is the main topics. We will talk about just 2 topics today, and we will continue in other lessons. The first one we'll talk about is Reina chatbot. Reina chatbot is AI chatbot. It's similar to ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, but the point here, this chatbot is just made for schools, made for education. It will always give us responses based on educational theories, educational experiences. So if we ask about, tell me about how to control my class, for example, it will tell me steps of how to do that with my students. Like you see here, the first one is establish clear expectations, build relationships with my students, engage students, and etc. etc. So any question I will ask about in education, it will give me specific responses about education. This is the first one. Of course, I will leave you to test it as you like. Ask any questions in any topic, and it will give you excellent responses. The second one is the most amazing tools I have seen in my life. It's magic tools. These magic tools are made only for teachers. There is a lot of tools here. There is a lot of categories here I can use. Planning tools, content tools, question tools. We will start with planning. Now, if you are going to make a class, you need a lesson plan. If I ask here for lesson plan, I need to make a lesson plan. It will give me lesson plan here. I will click, just one click here. My lesson is for 10th grade. My topic is about vitamins or anything you need. Earthquakes. Additional criteria I have here to make it subtopics. If I want to make, no problem. Here standard set align to. These are worldwide standards I can use in my lesson. Here if I choose generate, it will give me a lesson plan about understanding earth semi-quakes. Now it will start. We will wait until it finish, and now it will give learning objectives. It will start with learning objectives, assessments, key points, opening, introduction to new material, guided practice, independent practice, closing, extension activity, homework, and standards aligned. These are my lesson plan. I can copy it or edit it or read aloud. I can read it. I can make him read it for me. This all just one click. I just give him my lesson title and give me a huge lesson plan, and I can read it. I can save resource for later. I can edit it or I can copy it and go have Word document and add it to my Word document and start. Of course, I can here also edit it by the chatbot. Okay, this is my first tool. Also, we can, the rubric here for rubric for English. If I give my students rubric to write a paragraph, I can make a rubric for me. I can make a rubric. I will use 10th grade or 4th grade here. When I change the grade level, I change the difficulty. So which is suitable for 4th grade is not suitable for 10th or 11th grade. I will point scale, I make it 5. Standard or objective, the objective is students need to make a survey about vitamins. Here I can add additional customization or just generate. Now it will take just seconds and it will make for 4th grade survey about vitamins. These are the rubric students will use to judge or mark the students' paragraphs. Also there is maybe multiple choice. We can questions. We can generate questions. Here text dependent questions, YouTube video questions, multiple choice questions. We will choose maybe multiple choice. Here multiple choice quiz. If I tell him I want for 10th grade 10 questions about World War I, generate. In just 2 seconds it will give me World War test. It will give me 10 questions and its answer key. Now I can take this and use it in quizzes, in Kahoot, in multiple choice, normal paper, assignment, anything in just 1 second. It will give me 10 questions and the answer key. We can also make jokes. If I am giving students teacher jokes about the lesson for 5th grade, make me a joke about vitamins. Here it will give me jokes about vitamins I can use in my lesson. So even my jokes will be related to my lesson. This is 2 or 3 tools of maybe now more than 70 tools. I can make email for family, professional email, rubric generator, all tools. I can text rewriter. I can make stories here. I can make story about my lesson. Here, social stories or math story. You can see here of if I choose social story for maybe 7th grade about going to the jungle, adventure in the jungle, generate. Here it will give me a little story about my lesson. I can give it to my students and add it to my lessons, so it will help us improve our learning and make our lessons or our classes more fun, more effective, and it will help us give our students more and more funny education and improve them in education. Thank you.